In this video, we will learn how to create a supplier and how to manage different suppliers using the Supplier Master. To access it, click on the Purchase module. And over here, click on Supplier. Here is a list of suppliers that have already been created. To add a new supplier, click on the Add button. We will have to fill in these details. First, enter a supplier's name. If the supplier has a trading name, you can mention it here. Add a supplier code if applicable. Then, choose the type of supplier. You can add in supplier type options using the lookup data. Those options can be accessed here. Add in a discount percentage if there is any. Then, enter the credit days and credit limit if they are a credit-based supplier. Next, there is a checkbox for active, which means that you are actively buying items from them. If that's the case, then check the active box. If the supplier is inactive and no longer in use, you can leave this unchecked. We'll proceed with active. The unregistered supplier checkbox indicates that the supplier does not have a GST number. If they have a GST number, then it means the supplier is registered. When you check the unregistered supplier box, filling up the GST number field becomes optional. But when you uncheck it, filling in this field will become mandatory. So let's quickly fill in a GST number. Then, you can fill in the contact names and details of the supplier. Down here, you will have to provide the supplier's address. Enter a city, select the state, and fill in the other details. If the billing address is different, then you can go ahead and fill it. If it's the same as contact address, check this box. You can fill in all the other details, but it's not mandatory. The mandatory fields are the name of the supplier, supplier type, and the GST number, if the supplier is registered. If they are unregistered, the GST number is optional. Once everything is filled out, click on Save and Close. The supplier will be saved here. You can find them by typing the name of the supplier here. This is the one that we just created, Garden Tree Group. All the details are here: the mobile number, contact person, GST number, and everything else. If you want to edit the details of the supplier, select the supplier and click on the Edit button. This window will reopen again. Here you can edit any of the details. For example, you can edit the phone number if it has changed. And when you click on Save and Close, the details of the supplier will be updated. Similarly, you can update the details of any supplier here. So this is how you can manage suppliers.